Exercise 1.2, question number 3. Examine whether each of the following statement pattern is a tautology or a contradiction or a contingency. First example, P conjunction Q implies Q disjunction P. Here PQ two statements, and firstly construct this bracket, then second bracket, and imply symbol in this bracket. Therefore PQ statement here's PQ, therefore P statement TT FF and Q statement alternate TF TF. Therefore firstly construct first bracket P conjunction Q. In conjunction symbol both are true, then true here, remaining are false. Then second bracket is Q disjunction P. In these two columns disjunction symbol, then both are false, then false here. Therefore both are false, then false, remaining are true. And in these two brackets implies symbol, therefore first statement this and second statement this, then implies symbol, therefore TF is F. No here condition TF, therefore F, otherwise true. Therefore all conditions are true, therefore all entries in the last column is true, therefore the statement pattern is tautology. Second example, P implies Q double implies negation P disjunction Q. Here PQ statements, therefore TT FF P statement, Q is TF TF alternate. Firstly construct this bracket, P implies Q. P implies Q, then TF is F. TF is F, F remaining are all true. Here TF condition here, therefore F remaining are true. Then construct second bracket, they firstly construct negation P, then TF is FF and FF is TT, P of negation P, and negation P disjunction with Q. Negation P and this Q column disjunction symbol both are false, then false in disjunction, therefore both are false is false and remaining are true. Therefore this bracket construct and this bracket construct. In these two bracket double implies symbol, therefore in this two bracket double implies, implies means same then true, same here therefore true, same here therefore true, same and same therefore true. All entries are T, therefore the statement pattern is tautology. Next third example, negation of in bracket negation P conjunction negation Q in total bracket disjunction Q. Here PQ statements, therefore PQ TT FF TF TF alternate. Firstly this construct this bracket, therefore construct negation P and negation Q columns. Firstly negation P and negation Q. Negation P means TT FF FF TT. Negation Q means T here F, F here T, T here F, F here T. Therefore these two columns conjunction symbol, these two columns conjunction here, therefore both are false then false, both are false then false, then remaining are true. In total bracket negation here, this bracket negation here, therefore F is T, T all T's are F. This negation is this, and this negation bracket disjunction with Q. This bracket disjunction with Q. Q, therefore both are true, both are false then false, therefore both are false where here both are false then false, remaining are true. Therefore last entries are T and F here, 3 times T and 1 is F here, therefore this statement pattern is contingency. Fourth example, P implies Q disjunction conjunction Q implies P. Here PQ statements, then TT FF TF TF alternate. Firstly construct this bracket, P implies Q, therefore TF is F, TF is F, then remaining are all true. This bracket conjunction with Q, this bracket and conjunction with Q, then conjunction means both are true then true. Here both are true then true, both are true then true, remaining are false. Then this bracket implies with P, this bracket implies with P, then TF is F, TF is here F, and remaining are all true. Therefore this last column TF entries, therefore the statement pattern is contingency. Fifth example, P implies Q conjunction negation Q implies negation P. PQ two statements, then TT, FF, alternate TF, TF. Then firstly construct negation Q here. Negation Q means T is F, F is T, T is F, F is T. Then construct this bracket. P implies Q. P implies Q means TF is F, TF is F, remaining are true. In these two columns, conjunction symbol, then both are true, then true, both are true here, then true, remaining are false. And negation P construct here, therefore TF, TT is FF, FF is TT, which is the negation of P. In these two bracket imply symbol, this bracket implies with negation P, this bracket implies with negation P, then TF is F. Therefore no condition here TF, therefore all is a true, and the last column all entries are T, therefore statement pattern is tautology.